Assalamu alaikum. You are once again with Mudassir, English with Mudassir. In today's lecture, I will be talking about how to make passive sentences of future perfect tense. Future continuous tense cannot change to passive voice. That's why I am going to make passive sentences of future perfect tense. आज मैं future perfect tense को passive voice में change करने जा रहा हूँ. If you don't have subscribed my channel, first subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's begin. So here I wrote three types of sentences: positive, negative and interrogative. Positive are those sentences in which we are doing some action. Negative are those sentences in which there is no action. Interrogative are those sentences in which there must be a question. So look at the structure of positive sentences. The structure is very much important. You must know the structure of a sentence while changing to passive voice. If you know the active and passive structure of a tense, so you can easily change any sort of sentence to passive voice. First will be subject, then shall, will, then have, then third form of verb, rest of the sentence. This structure will change to passive one. Subject plus shall, will, have, then plus verb third form and then rest of the sentence. I wrote two sentences. I am going to change it to passive voice. Let's see. So the first sentence, I shall have won a prize. Got it? Object will come in the place of subject and subject will come in the place of object. A prize. Prize. With prize we will use will. A prize will have been from the above structure. One is the third form. So here is also the third form. One by a specific agent, and I will change to me. The objective case of I is me. Got it? A prize will have been won by me. Got it? Second sentence, he will have bought a new pen. The object, a new pen will have been bought. Third form here, also third form will be passive voice. The objective case of he is him, by him. By is passive agent and him is the objective case of he. Got it? Coming toward negative sentences. Subject, shall, will, plus not, plus have, plus verb third form, rest of the sentence. This structure will change to this one. Subject, shall, will, plus not, plus have been, plus verb third form and rest of the sentence. Coming toward sentences. She will not have forgiven me. You know that the object will come in place of subject. So the subjective case of me is I. Got it? I. When I we are using shall. Not from structure. Have been. From structure. Forgiven. By a specific agent and she will change to her. Got it? I shall not have been forgiven by a specific agent and her is the objective case of she. Got it? Second sentence. We shall not have beaten them. The subjective case of them is they. They will. With they we will use will. They will not have been beaten. As a agent. We. The objective case of we is us. Got it? They will not have been beaten by us. Now coming to our interrogative sentences. Interrogative are those sentences in which there must be a question and a question mark in the end of the sentence, and it almost started from helping verb. Shall, will plus subject plus have plus one third form rest of the sentence. This active structure will change to the passive structure. Shall, will, subject plus have been plus one third form rest of the sentence, and the end up there should be a question mark. Look at the sentences. Will you have planted a tree? This object will come in the place of subject. A tree. And with tree we are using will. So will be used in the start of the sentence. Will a tree have been from the structure? Planted by a specific agent, and the objective case of you is you. Got it? Will a tree have been planted by you? Second sentence. Shall we have cheated them? The subjective case of them is they. With they we are using will, so will be used in the start of the sentence. Will they have been cheated by a specific agent? And with the objective case of we is us. Cheated by us. Will they have been cheated by us? Got it? If you know the structure of active and passive voice, then you can change any sort of sentence. If you have any question regarding future perfect tense, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your valuable time.